time to talk.
But
I only talk to guys with chains and money.
You only talk to guys with chains and money?
Yes.
But how do you know I don't got money like that, though? I'm just trying to take you out.
Because look how you come up to me on the street.
I think you beautiful.
I'm
You look
sorry.
you look
I'm
like a
busy.
mermaid. What's
I'm
up?
busy.
But let me walk with you. Can I walk with you?
You could walk with me if you want, but you're not getting anything out of me.
What do you mean, though? You got a boyfriend, don't you?
I don't.
You acting like you got a man, though. Yo, I'm gonna be real.
I just look for men that have money.
But you fine.
Don't have money.
But
so
I
why
want,
am I talking to
because
you?
I just wanted to know if I could take you out sometime. Like, what's up?
No.
No?
No.
So it's just a no then?
Yeah.
Where are you walking to alone, though?
I'm going back to my building.
But let me go with you. Want to watch some SpongeBob or something? I don't know. Netflix and
Absolutely
chill?
not.
Come on, like, what's
Absolutely
up?
not.
Absolutely not?
Absolutely not.
Really? So it's like that?
It is like that.
All right, you can have a nice day then.
Okay, bye.
Ah, rude, bro.
Oh my god!
What?
This is your car?
Wait, how'd you come back here so fast? What's up? Damn, you looking good.
You got a Benz?
I got a what?
A Benz?
Yeah, I got a Mercedes. What's up?
I mean, can I get in? Like, can we talk?
I thought you said you were going to your dorm or like your room. I thought you said you were going to your
I
room.
have a few extra minutes.
I mean, can I get a little 360 right quick?
Yeah, sure.
Yo, you fine. Oh, no, let me get the door for you. I gotta spoil you.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Yo, wait, what was your name, by the way?
Rebecca.
Rebecca? Yo, Rebecca, you beautiful. Hop in.
Ooh, I'm gonna drain his bank account.